Friends, welcome back to another episode with Maribel Foods and Recipes. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is a food channel. It's all about food. I create interesting videos around food which you like to try, and in today's episode we are cooking the perfect Nigerian egusi melon soup, Christmas egusi melon soup, which I know you will love to cook for your family and your loved ones this Christmas. And guys, if this is your first time of seeing this channel, please consider subscribing, and when you subscribe, hit that bell icon, the notification bell icon, so that you don't get to miss any of my interesting episodes. What I normally do anytime I'm using ukpo to cook, to bring out more flavor into what I'm cooking, I fry the ukpo off. So this is the also what you do is just to remove this dirty back. First thing I do is to add some pepper. So the egusi, I'm adding some grounded crayfish, So here guys, I'm molding the egusi. I'm molding them into this size because I want them to get done fast. The reason why you have to put the egusi balls when the water is boiling is to avoid these balls breaking up, because if you put them in a non-boiling water, it will affect them. They may break up. The melon has been cooking, and at this point I want to start adding my ingredients. So guys, remember the groundnuts. I grinded the groundnut together with the ukpo. So guys, because I've already added granules, because this granite will also help in thickening the soup, I'm only adding this quantity of osu. This is the white osu I'm adding. I may still add more depending on how the soup is turning out, so that will depend. So this is the egusi. The outside is done, but part of the inside is not yet done. Look at it. So I just returned back the egusi to allow it to cook more. So as you can see, the soup is doing poto 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 inside the pot. I'm adding extra water to the soup. Egusi lumps are done now, so I'm bringing them out from the pot into the mortar for me to just pound them a bit before adding back to the pot. So this is what I'm doing right now. So you look for all the egusi and bring them out. So I've taken out all the egusi balls, so nothing is here again. So what I'll do now is to pound this egusi ball. You're not pounding it to break, you're just pounding to break the egusi lumps into smaller lumps. You still need that lumps, but you don't need them this big. So what my mother called this is come my old, just my old. So that's what I'm going to do now. Wow, 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 wow. Oh no, so pop, pop, pop. Do you hear that sound? Pop. Wow, this soup is delicious. So at this point I'm turning off the heat. So if you don't want this consistency, your soup to be very thick, you can decide to add more water, but I'm okay with the way the soup is. It's just okay for me.